HShannon here, Art Junkie. It's Monday, and that means it's Make a Card Monday. Make a Card Monday. I've collected a bunch of stuff. This video will not be long. It's all pre-planned. So, a couple lives ago, I took some dioxides, oxide inks and some regular distress inks, and I made some backgrounds. And I had some sprays on there and some splatters. Look pretty darn good. I've been making cards out of them, so I'm going to continue to use that for the moment. Let's try this. I'm out of tape runner, so I'm using the double-sided tape. It's actually really good for this project because it flattens down the paper like none other. The double-sided tape is pretty strong that way. So what have you guys been up to? What's new and exciting in your lives? We had a nice weekend. We gets a lot of snow in the eastern part of Canada right now. We have a bunch coming tonight again. Last night, oof, I was in a lot of pain. I'm weather sensitive with my arthritis, and yeah, oof. Last night was not a good night. All right, let's get this down here. And there we go. Look at that. Nice and good. See what I mean? This tape is good for this kind of warped papers. Makes it nice. I'm going to put this up on here. I'm going to use this crystal drop stuff. This is what I'm going to use. I have to go and watch the Murdoch trial again later. I'm so hooked on that trial. That Murdoch guy, I'm telling you. Oof. I don't know how you guys feel, but I think he's guilty as sin. And there. I need to clip this little piece off here. I don't think it's gonna happen. That's alright, it's a homemade card, right? Homemade card. Okay, I'm gonna put this on here. I'll use this one here. There. Next one. I love these new heart dies. They're like really nice. The little stitches and everything. There. And put a little yellow one in. I've been addicted to wearing my hat I crocheted. That was fun. Tomorrow on Tuesday, I'll show you how my mandala turned out. It's a bit wonky for a first try, but you know, it's a first try. Just do that. And get a little couple of these to put on there. Squish it down. Drinking hot chocolate. Hot chocolate on a snow day in Canada. I tell you, that's where it's at. Okay, let's see if that's down flat a little bit. Got some loose tripping out here. Oh, we got some ink on there. Oh my goodness gracious Lord. You know what though? It's okay. It's fine because there's black on the other. It's fine, Shannon. Just relax. And I'm gonna put some of these hearts on here. I'm gonna put one heart here. And woo! And I'm gonna put another one right here. There. I'm gonna put some of these little playthings here. I'm gonna put one here. There. And here. There. I'll put another one over here. Here. This is just Novo crystal drops. It's the same as you know, I forget that stuff that we use all the time that's clear. Anyways, it works as a glue. So that's that. So there is our card. Now, I'm gonna put a word on. Don't forget to fly. Choose to shine. I like choose to shine. That's a good one. And I'm gonna do it in black. Because there's black in the background, so that's nice. Versifying, my favorite ink for words. Okay, let's see here. That's good. Should I put it here or should I put it here? Put it right here. Very, very pretty. Very, very pretty. No, let's do this. And there's our card for Make a Card Monday. Hope you guys like it. It's cute. I have to, forgot to do something. Gotta put the thing on the back. Handmade with love by Art Junkie. Here's my card. Here's my pen. $2023. Can you believe it? I'm gonna be 57. 57 this year. So there is our card for Make a Card Monday. A simple one, an easy one, basic design, but very cute. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Take care, and we'll see you tomorrow on Tea Tuesday. Well, I'll tell a little story, maybe. I don't know. I have too many stories left. Bye-bye, guys.